Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to download music from YouTube library. To do this, first open your browser and sign in the Gmail account that YouTube channel already has been created, or create a YouTube channel here. After that, type studio.youtube.com and then tap on continue to studio. Now you will see the music option here. Tap on the music icon. Now you will find the lots of music here. Just choose your music and tap on download. After download the music, you can open and you can use in other platform. By doing this process, you can download music from YouTube.